Babo Kabanen, welcome to Where in Pampanga. For today's video guys, wala po tayo sa Pampanga dahil we were invited dito po sa Blue Resort Concepcion Tarlac. If you're looking for staycation na talaga namang napaka countryside feels, guys, you gotta check this out. I wanna show you more about this place. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! First amenity na I wanna introduce to you guys is yung kanilang pool area. Pool size natin is around small to medium size siya. It has two sections. So kung saan nandito tayo ngayon is the adult area, and then the other side naman, or yung pinakabukanan yung umpisa, yung for kids naman. Kagandahan dito guys, check this out. So meron tayong shade. Napakaganda ng ginawa nila dito dahil nga gusto natin na direct sunlight, say for example during the morning or during the afternoon, late afternoon. Kagandahan dito, nare-retract yung kanyang shade. So right now naka-expand siya. Perfect na perfect talaga siya sa mga nagugluta, they wanna take care of their skin. Mas masarap mag-swimming yan. Another amenity dito that I wanna share to you guys is itong mga benches natin. So for me, perfecto for, kwentuhan. For example, you wanna extend it as a dining. Good for 4 yung each benches natin. Ang kagandahan dito guys is kung nararamdaman nyo lang ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin. Again, it's a countryside. Nakapalibot yung resort natin ng palayan, halaman. So napakasarap, simoy ng hangin, it's very fresh. Notice, ito yung entrance natin, and then pagpasok nyo guys is this really spacious area. Sometimes it's converted into parking area. Actually, the other side ng staycation na to is also their parking area. But imagine if you wanna have your event dito, so late afternoon, nandito yung mga tables. Speaking of occasion, actually meron din tayong function hall na nakabubong, so puntahan natin siya.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything.
Nandito tayo ngayon dun sa kanilang function hall or yung events area. For me, in my opinion, it can accommodate from 50 to 60 siguro or more than that, Napaka-perfect nito guys if you are having your private occasion like birthday, reunion. Meron na tayong place for that, or kapag sa mga nagde-day tour naman, actually, ito yung magiging area ninyo na ma-occupy. Meron tayong mga rooms, however, yung mga rooms natin are available for yung mga overnight stays. But if you wanna have yung day tour lang, so this is gonna be your place, plus yung mga kubo, yung mga cottages, and of course yung mga iba pang mga amenities dito. Alright, thank you po. Guys, nano na rin kayong table tayo ngayon, so we have itik. Ito, adobo ito. Adobo. At hintamo mo namang sinigang na hipon. So basically that's it. Ayan, Let's eat. Ma'am, thank you po Napaka-generous niyo po. Thank you very much. Right now is lunchtime, so grateful po kami. And we wanna appreciate yung mga owners cause they are kind enough to host yung ating lunch for this vlog. So, ayun. Ito yung lunch natin now. So, imagine guys, for example, you book this place for day tour or even overnight. You can use this area for your dining. Meron na tayo ditong mga tables and chairs. For example naman, you want to book yung mga catering services. So again, pwede rin po nilang i-convert ito, design it more attractive sa kanilang mga tables and chairs. Pwede po yan. For now, that's our dining table. coming in dito sa my sleeping area natin, just a disclaimer, so parang Airbnb type tayo dito. So this is a shared property with the owner. If you book here, as of vlogging this video, kasama po itong living area na to. May entertainment section din tayo. However, yung owner natin is gonna be staying here. So this is it. We are at the second level. So meron tayong family area dito. Here are the rooms. Room number 1, number 2. That is CR. Ito naman yung room number 3. Okay, pasukan natin to. Oh, there you go. And guys, for the final room, here it is. Ayan, so this is actually identical with the adjacent room. So this can accommodate around 5 to 6 person comfortably, but it's up to you guys kung gusto nyong ma-extend yung sleeping capacity nito. Again, dito pa rin sa second level, meron tayong access dito sa may balcony. Here you go. Wow, I love the view. I love the view. Ang sarap ng gising mo dito sa umaga guys kapag ganito yung nakikita mo. So palayan or bukid, no? Bukidin. Wala masyadong dumadaan na sasakyan. Siguro mga very minimal. And then again here, dito sa side na to, view mo naman is parking area as well as the pool. And then dito sa other side naman, ang view mo ay ang Mount Arayat. Alright, so there you have it guys, my final say sa staycation natin for this vlog. If you're looking for a place na a staycation and at the same time may function area, you gotta check out Blue Resort. This place is actually very serene, napakatahimik. If you notice, all you hear, tunog ng tubig and at the same time, mga huni ng ibon. That's what I can say guys. This is a must if you're looking for that kind of experience. Great deal! So for the month of March 2023, if you're gonna book dito po sa Blue Resort and you're gonna use coupon code na WHIPBLUE, we're gonna be including it in the caption at saka dito, use the code WHIPBLUE, you're gonna have a 500 peso discount. So yung day tour natin dito, it's just 7,000 pesos. It's gonna be 6,500 pesos. So yung overnight stay naman natin dito is just 12,000 pesos. It's just gonna be 11,500 pesos for the month of March. Thank you so much for watching Warren Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye guys.